Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Those who have watched earlier videos know that we have planted chili plants in pots. And from those chili plants we get many chilies every year. As you know, this is the rainy season in Delhi right now. And our chili plant's health is very nice. But there's a problem, which is that even after getting many flowers in our chili plant, there is very less fruiting. If you all also have the same problem, then this video is for you. Whenever we plant any new chili plant in our garden, we take the seeds from the chilies. So at first we plant it in a small pot, like in a 4 inches pot. And when it gets about 6 to 8 leaves, we transfer it to a bigger pot. And we also keep taking care of these plants continuously, like digging the soil, weeding, removing the leaves from the lower part of the plants, etc. We have earlier uploaded many videos on this. And as this plant gets bigger, we change the pots time to time. Like this, we keep on taking care of our plants, like giving it loamy soil, giving it a well-draining soil, checking the drainage holes, keeping it in a sunny area, etc. And as it is a chili plant, we have to give a good amount of fertilizer. For fertilizers, most of the time we give kitchen waste compost or banana peel fertilizer. And while the plant is in its growing season, we give this plant leaf compost. And when the flowering starts, we give it a potassium-rich fertilizer. So because of this, most of the times we get good fruiting in this plant. We also check our plants time to time in case there is any insect attacks. So our plant's health was very healthy and bushy. And we also got many fruits from this plant time to time. But in this year there is a heavy rainfall in Delhi. And because of this rainfall, our plants cannot get many fruitings, because there is no pollinators to pollinate the flowers. So the main problem is lack of pollination. Unfortunately, you cannot really do hand pollination in this chili plant. So for this, you just need to wait. And if possible, keep these plants under shaded area, especially during the time it rains. Unfortunately, there is no shaded area in our garden, so we cannot keep it in a shaded area. But if you have a shaded area, make sure to keep this plant in shade. Because if you do keep it in shade, there will be no problem in pollination. And you'll easily get many fruits. That's all. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.